Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Gumroad affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure your Gumroad affiliate program, start by logging into your Gumroad account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar. In the settings menu, locate and click on affiliate program. Here, you will see the options to manage your affiliate settings. To activate your affiliate program, toggle the switch to on. Next, you can set a commission rate for your affiliates. Consider what percentage you would like to offer on sales generated by affiliates. Input your desired commission rate in the provided field. After setting your commission, you can customize the affiliate links format if necessary. Gumroad provides a default format, but feel free to adjust it for branding purposes. Scroll down to see an option for adding affiliate conditions. You can specify the minimum purchase amount needed to earn commissions. If you choose to impose any restrictions, clearly outline them here. Once everything is configured, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your affiliate program is now active and ready for affiliates to join. Inform your audience about your program through your website or social media. Keep track of affiliate performance by checking the sales section within your Gumroad dashboard. Review affiliate metrics regularly to ensure the program is profitable for you and your affiliates. With these steps, you can effectively manage your Gumroad affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.